oh, these boulders can kill somebody and everything's awful. Getting cut up. That's really steep right here. A little leg wound. Holy shit, what do you think? Where are you? For serious hikers only. Here's some rashes.
Oh, really? Didn't care.
Reapply. Unreal with the skeeters. Very strenuous. Come out here and learn, challenge yourself. All right, so it's about 5:30 in the morning.
Did you put a pass out?
Yes, I did.
Okay, sorry.
5:30.
Oh my god.
All right, so we just made it to Trout Lake. And as you can see, the reflection on this water is legit. Yeah, this is where the bears like to hang out.
Get the phone out.
Get the bong? Is that what did you just say?
I hope they all die from mosquitoes.
Slimy.
Like a crocodile head. Don't film me.
All right, so the net is on. I'm just mobbing through this trail and there's just so many spider webs just floating around. There is sage up here. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Strawberry.
We're deep in wilderness right now and someone took the time to build steps. So you and I can come out here and have an easier time. What do you think of this section of the trail?
It's beautiful.
Okay, look how stunning this is. So we just made it to our first lake. This is Lake Malachite. So from the trailhead to this destination was just about 2,300 feet elevation. We still have another 1,300 feet to our first camp.
Oh, would you just look? Just look at that watercolor and that iguana on that log.
That does not look like an iguana.
What?
Mushroom.
So when you go to the first lake, you pretty much have the option to go back down the trail. But Maria and I decided to bushwhack it, you know? That's what this route is all about.
2 hours later.
How you feeling, Maria?
We made it through the bushwhacking. Now we're on the trail.
You know, we went through pika territory. Almost got eaten alive by the pikas. But now the mosquitoes have changed and they're pretty thick. So we're gonna reapply. I didn't hit the button before, so...
Sorry.
Where? Oh.
Gosh, look at that thing. Good.
Comes Maria attempting to cross the stream.
Don't say that.
I got it. Fuck that.
No.
All right, here comes Miss Mountain.
Oh, I see.
And
Oh,
you see it?
I see. I see.
Uh-oh, Miss Mountain has the stunner shades on. Watch out.
That's a nice volcano.
Yes, it is.
Volcanoes.
All right, so we're still trekking along. I think we finally got to the very tippity top of this saddle before we're about to drop down into Big Heart Lake, which is our destination for overnight. But depending on the crowds, we might hit up one of the other lakes. We'll just have to see.
We're gonna suss it out.
Okay, so we made it to Big Heart Lake. Just crystal blue, clear waters, beautiful peaks around. There's that smile.
I'm trucking along. I'm tired.
And you're doing great.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's trout. So last night we ended up finding this campsite on this flat rock. We kind of messed up a little bit. We should have just camped at the Big Heart Lake. Today's the big day. Today's the crux. Today we go right back up the cliff, hike the spine, hike the gap, traverse over the boulders, go to Tank Lake. We're gonna camp there. All right, we're doing the vibe check.
Get ready with me. Backpacking edition. I got my coffee. Trail mix for breakfast. I'm ready.
Coming soon.
We just crawled down that. It's pretty steep and a little leg wound, but she's a trooper. So while Maria's on Snapchat, I'm gonna give you some beta here. So right behind me, that little hump that you see that's like the spine in between Big Heart Lake and whatever the other one is. And now we're going up to Little Chetwood, and we're just in this little fairyland according to Maria here. You're doing great, Maria. So when you read up on reviews online, it says like, oh, these boulders can kill somebody and everything's awful. I will tell you that it is very strenuous. The mosquitoes are relentless. I mean, no joke. Bringing like 2 bottles of spray with you, and that probably still not be enough. It's so beautiful here. Look at this. Oh man. So I had mixed reviews on these rock herons right here. I was trying to ignore them the whole entire time, but it just so happens the exact route that I'm trying to do is these herons are just littered all the way. So when you read up online and say like, oh, the herons aren't in the right spot, to me that they are. I did see a couple random ones like way off in the distance. I'm like, why did someone put that there? It's crazy. But at the end of the day, just like have fun and like don't follow the herons. Come out here and learn, challenge yourself. Check in with Maria. What's good?
These mosquitoes, I thought we were high enough. Clearly we're not.
Yeah, they should be like gone.
Otherwise, this is pretty fun.
I like that. Let's do it.
Looping.
It's a nice little breeze now. We're like almost an alpine environment. There's like some trees above us on the cliffs. All right, so we made it to Copper Lake here.
What?
Is it Copper Lake? Iron Lake, copper, iron, you know. Here, let's redo that. Okay, so we're at Iron Lake, and it's a little bit still frozen over, so we are trekking this in mid-July. Super beautiful, though. This was on your list.
It was.
It looks like we're gonna have to traverse and then go lower on that versus summiting and going on that higher elevation. So you can see that there's water cascading off the cliffs here of Iron Mountain. It makes for slick rock. That's really steep right here. They said the boulders are the problem, but I think it's this dirt section, honestly. Maria leading the way, taking charge here. The new recreation leader. Here's the beta. You gotta crawl over there through that saddle, up and around, and then Tank Lake is actually right where those snowfield is over there. So we were just joking on, we read one of the comments on All Trails. It says, for serious hikers only. You know, because we're so serious out here, you know? Yeah, keep trucking towards this direction. All right, last stretch. It's been insane, the amount of effort it takes to get here, but you know, it's all part of the journey. It's all about having fun out here, getting that exercise in, and I think we're only like 100 feet away. Yeah? Okay, so we just made it to Tank Lake, and we haven't seen anyone here, which is legit.
Can you see it?
Oh my God, so many. All right, y'all, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm wearing my net right now and a puffy jacket because it's unreal with the skeeters mid-July. So make sure to bring 3 bottles. I said 2 earlier, bring 3. All right, so now we're off.
Solid.
So Maria had a little bit of a tumble.
Can you even see it? Look at that, good as new. But I did take a tumble.
A little swollen.
In the rock section, you know, just with flexion, a little bit more flexion, it's feeling a little better. Feeling that like crazy.
Look how chubby he looks.
Oh, are you I see it.
Catch anything?
We did up at Lockett Lake.
What'd you catch?
Like a 10-inch trout. It was fun.
That is so sick.
Where'd you two head off to?
Oh, we did the whole loop.
Oh, really?
Didn't care.
Not as bad.
Blueberry.
So it's really weird. This cave right there doesn't look natural to me. It kind of just looks like someone blasted it for some reason, like they're mining. And then it's weird. I also found like this little bolt down here. Like, what is that? Nice and wedged in there. Were they like creating a little bridge, or like maybe there was like some mining operation and they had their mining equipment, you know, hooked up to that right into this creek here. And there's been like tons of like crystal all over the place. Yeah, so it's just dead ends, but it was still pretty cool to check out. There's water, just like echo. It's like an echo chamber. What'd you say? All right, a little update. We're crushing it through the rainforest. Getting cut up, you know, be some rashes. But we're trekking. All right, we're almost out of here. Holy shit, what do you think? Where are you?
I've never been so happy to see that trail sign.
Look how exhausted we look. We're beat. So anyway, if you want to hike this, right there just says it all. She sees the car in sight, just can't even make it.
Tank Lake.